Greetings from Mercure Mactan Cebu. I would just like to share with you how this hotel came to be Mercure. As you are aware, this hotel has been Belmont Hotel by Mega World Hotels and Resorts the last 3 years. They first opened in 2023. Mega World Hotels and Resorts really wanted to venture into the international brand. And because of this, they really partner with the brand giant in the world, which is Accor. Accor Hotels has over 5,000 hotels all over the world with different brands and with 120 million loyal guests. So what better way is really to partner with the best. And what happened is when we partnered in 2023, of course, we embrace everything about the Mercure standards. The partnership happened in December 15, 2025. So that was the day of the rebranding. And what is Mercure? Mercure, of course, came from the god of travel, which is Mercury. And Mercure Hotel is one of the brand of Accor. And these are mid-scale hotels. Focus on local. So it's local, feel local everywhere. And the best way is for us to really showcase what we have here. As soon as you arrive in the hotel here in Mercure Mactan, you are greeted in the lobby by the mosaic of Lapu-Lapu. And under the mosaic of Lapu-Lapu, the lights depicts the waves of Mactan. And in the front desk, the background depicts the corals of Mactan. You walk into our restaurant. Our restaurant is also named Pulo, or Little Islands. And the Pulo has decors of guitars of Cebu, of course the sinulog, and of course the weavers of Cebu. There's a lot to offer, especially on local feels, because we really wanted to make sure that every Filipino, international, any nationality walk in, they really feel local. Even the food. Our food is carefully crafted to experience local cuisine. Proud to say that in the rooms has different designs as well. As soon as you enter the room, the background behind your bed depicts the story of different stories in Cebu. There's stories about the dried mangoes, there's stories about diving, there's stories about the Rosquillos of Cebu. So when each of the room has its own uniqueness. In terms of our promotion, we are happy to really share that we have a number of F&B promotions. We have outlets like Pulo, which is our coffee shop. And on the third floor, we also have our bar. We call it Lingaw, or Happy Bar. Every weekend, Friday and Saturday, we have dinner buffet, Filipino dinner buffet, and sometimes Spanish dinner buffet. And we just launched today, July 18, our lunch buffet called Pani-Udo. What's Pani-Udo? It's really Visayan word of having lunch. Let's eat. So it's really stems from childhood. Our chef created this because he was inspired that when he was little, your mom would call you, "Pani-Udo na ta," therefore let's eat. So the food that are being served are really local food all over the Philippines. And today is the start, and I hope you will come over to enjoy. What we also launched today is what we call Timo. Timo is like little bites. So this is our coffee cart, and at the same time, cakes and dessert cart. It's located in the lobby. You will be inspired because the design of this is really a bike cart. And I'm sure everyone will enjoy this. It's the Timo place is a place for you to gather together, to enjoy, to have a break, and also to have grab and go. When we say Mercure Mactan Cebu, we are not only promoting the hotel, but we are promoting the whole township of Mega World. Mactan Newtown has grown with a lot of facilities, a number of restaurants, and soon, of course, we will be opening the Mactan Museum. And of course, you are also here to enjoy the beach. We have the Mactan Newtown Beach where you can enjoy a dip in the pool, go to the beach. There's a lot of activities. There's also a wedding area, and at the same time, big area where you can enjoy meetings or weddings that can fit about 280 people. So there's a lot of things that are new in Mactan Newtown and in Mercure Mactan Cebu. And I really hope you'll have an opportunity to visit us because we are here to welcome you. So Mercure Mactan Cebu, feel local everywhere.